Hi, today I am making a winter fruit salad. I love making fruit salad for brunch and for breakfast. I'm beginning this recipe with blueberries, kiwi, tangerines. I'm using pomegranate as well as mango. And so I begin with about 4 small tangerines, and I'm going to go ahead and peel those and add them to my bowl. I've used a half a cup of blueberries as well as 4 small kiwis. And so I've peeled those and I've cut those up and added them to the salad. The mango, I'm adding about 1/8 of a cup of mango to the fruit salad. And then I'm adding pomegranate seeds, about 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, or you can add them to your taste. It's really up to you. And from there, I'm just going to combine all of my ingredients. Next, I'm going to squeeze a tangerine over the fruit. Now, you can add poppy seed dressing if you like, or if you want it just natural. The tangerine juice is more than enough. Once I've combined it one more time, I'm then going to just let it chill for about 5 minutes while I'm, preparing the rest of my meal and serve it. And that is a winter fruit salad.